My name is Kylie and I'm a high school student. I'm 13 years old. I go to Cleveland First Baptist Church and I'm a painter. I got started with painting when I was in like 3rd or 4th grade. When I started to realize that I could spread God's word through painting would have been probably when I did my first one that actually like had any like a God related, and that was either this one or a cross that I did, and it just made me think, and I was like, wait, like people are already looking on my Instagram to see my paintings, so how about like I add a little bit of like a Bible verse or something to make it be able to incorporate with God. I get a lot of my ideas from, well, church and from music. Like a lot of times I'll be listening to Christian music while I paint, and then there'll be the one part of the song that I'm like, oh my gosh, that's like awesome. So then I'll make a note of it and then I'll paint it. One song that I've heard during church is Our God by Chris Tomlin, and the whole song is like, it says something really like meaningful, but the one part is the bridge of the song where it's saying, and if our God is for us, then what could stop us? And that part really inspired me to make a painting and share it with other people. Something God has taught me while I've been doing these paintings is that you can use any talent to spread God's word. Like, you might not think about painting as being a way to spread God's word, but doing Bible verses and lyrics and things that inspire me because of God does spread it. It doesn't matter if you're a singer doing Christian music or a preacher actually preaching. You can use any talent you have to convey God's word. Painting for Jesus is awesome because it gives me a way to incorporate my talent with spreading God's word.